Hello and welcome friends. In today's video, we're going to be DIYing felt trays. These trays are super cute, they're easy to make in bulk, and you can make them as colorful as you want. I'm using wool felt today and a stapler, just a basic stapler that I have at home, and the felt that I have are actually sheets that are 6 by 6 inches. They have a wool and acrylic blend. You need 2 sheets of felt. I'm using a yellow and red here today. And what you do is you actually fold the corner and you staple. All you're doing is staple 4 layers of felt, and my regular stapler did this really easily. Next, you want to repeat the same thing onto the other corner. So I folded it in the center, you can see where the other corner is, and you just staple it. My staples are a little slanted. You can make your staples completely vertically upright if you want, but I found this works best for me. And when you open it, you can see how the shape of the felt tray is already there. Now all you need to do is repeat this for the other 2 corners. I'm eyeballing it as I go. I'm not measuring anything perfectly. I wasn't sure if the staple would work, but it did, and this looks so cute and it's perfect for organizing small things. I made a whole set of them in different colors. And in the final piece, you will be able to see the staple, but that didn't really bother me. But if it bothers you, you can use a button and maybe hand sew it instead of stapling. Anything works. All you need to do is make sure the 4 corners are held together to get this cute little felt tray or basket. Also try this out with regular craft felt that you get at the craft store. This is the acrylic felt, and I still use just 2 sheets of felt to make my tray. These are 9 by 12 inches in size, and you can make them taller by stapling further in and having more of a corner. These are great for organizing and keeping items on top of a countertop as well. Let me know in the comments below what you think of today's craft, friends. Thanks so much for spending some crafty time with me, and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye till then.